Hey friends, if you wish to stop, cancel, abort system shutdown in Windows, then please watch this video. So you all know that we can right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart or shutdown. There is a timeout period for it, a few seconds. And if in these few seconds you are unable to stop the shutdown process, then it will shut down. But if you want to stop it meanwhile, then open command prompt immediately, or you can just press cmd in the run command and then type shutdown space /a, which a is for abort, and then hit enter. Okay, so it said unable to abort the system shutdown because no shutdown is in progress, which is obvious. But if your system was about to shut down, then this would have aborted the process immediately. Now here's the thing, how would you do it fast? Press the Windows key and the R key together immediately, and then simply type shut down space /a and hit enter. Like this will abort it immediately. So this is how you can do it fast. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.